Hello children, we can do the next topic, angle subtended by an arc of a circle and cyclic quadrilaterals. We studied what is an arc of a circle, then how the angle subtends. We can see here, the first one, some definitions are given here, its explanations I am giving now. Okay. If two chords of a circle are equal, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. Okay. Here we can see one circle, two chords given. If these two chords are equal, then their corresponding arcs. Arc means the part of the circle. We can see the chords having two endpoints. The arc consisting of those two endpoints, they are also will be equal. Okay. If these two chords are equal, then the corresponding arcs will be equal. And its converse. If two arcs are congruent, these two arcs are congruent, then their corresponding chords will be equal. Okay. Then congruent arcs of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. We can see here arc AB and arc CD. Suppose these two arcs are equal. Then this arc subtends angle. Here angle, if you are giving one name O, angle AOB, then angle COD. Both these angles will be equal according to this definition. That is, congruent arcs. We know congruent means equal. So, if these arcs AB and CD are congruent, then the angle subtends at the center. Here angle AOB, here angle COD. They are also equal. The next one, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. We can see here one arc. Okay, this is the arc. This arc subtends one angle at the center. This is the center of the circle. So, x is the measure of the angle subtended by the arc at the center. Then, the same arc subtends another angle on the remaining part of the arc, which means the opposite part of the arc. Okay, opposite of this one. So, the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of the circle will be half of the angle subtends at the center. So, this part or the measurement of this angle will be half of x, that is x by 2. Clear? This is x by 2. So, we can see one arc here. This arc subtends an angle at the center. Its measurement is x. Then, the same arc subtends another angle on the remaining part of the circle. Its measurement will be half of the angle at the center. That is x by 2. Okay. If this measurement is 80 degree, then this will be 40 degree. Then angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. We can see that here we took one arc. See, two angles are subtended by the same arc, which means the arms of the two angles having the endpoints, the same endpoints. Okay. So, this arc subtends two angles on an arc. Then the measurement of these two angles will be equal. That is given, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Conversely, its converse is given. If a line segment joining two points subtends equal angles at two other points lying on the same side of the line containing the line segment, the 4 points lie on a circle. Okay. See, here one line segment we can see. The arc we took, we know we can draw one chord. Okay, by joining we can draw one line segment, which means the chord joining the endpoints of the arc. So this line segment, then this line segment meets 2 points on the circle. Okay, this line segment joins 2 points on the circle, and we can see that this line segment makes two angles, or we can say this arc makes two angles on the other part of the circle or on the same side of the line segment. Then these 4 points, see the vertices of the angles and these two endpoints. So 4 points are lying on the circle. Okay, which means they are concyclic. The term is they are concyclic. Okay, you can go through the sentence again. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay, angles in the same segment. This is the segment, or the segment means, again we know what is the segment. A chord is drawn, then the region bounded by the chord and the respective arc. So this is the segment, and two arcs you can see here. These are the two arcs. So two arcs or any number of arcs in the same segment will be equal. And its converse is, if a line segment joining 2 points subtends equal angles. We know these are the equal angles, and the line segment joining these equal angles, this chord, at 2 points at 2 other points lying on the same side of the line containing the line segment, these 4 points are concyclic. Okay. Then next definition, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Here one semicircle. Then the angle formed or subtends in a semicircle is a right angle. And we can see angles in the